Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to export your project in Camtasia video editing 6. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on export. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to local file. And this is going to pump up right here. What you want to do right here, first thing first, you need to choose your export location file. For that, go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do is to look for a folder that you would like to use. In my own case, I use this recording file folder. And I can select it right here, just like what you see right here. Once you select your export folder, the next thing you want to do is to enter your title right here, and then you have to make sure you come to file type. In Camtasia 2026, you can either export MP4, GIF, M4A, which is only audio, MP4 with smart player. But in this regard, MP4 is always highly recommended. So I'm going to choose MP4 highly recommended. But in some cases, you may decide to export another type of file. So these are the various 4 types of file that you can export your project with Camtasia video editing. Once you are done, come down below right there, click on export, and in a few seconds, you will have this particular window pop up on your PC right here. Allow the export to export completely, and it's going to be export to your destination file folder. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.